Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we will be making a origami fortune teller. So first you will need your origami paper. Next, you're gonna have to fold it in half, hot dog style. If you guys haven't checked out my other video, it's probably not gonna be on this list. It's probably gonna be on my dad's channel. So you can search up Zaza's origami box and then you will see my video there. So like I said, do a hot dog style. You could still do this with any other piece of paper, but just cut it into a square. So here we go, just like that. So you have to make sure you have a really good crease in the line. You can just hear my brother over there doing something. I don't know what. There we go. And now fold it again the other way, but hamburger style. And make sure it's lined up really well. Whoops, I didn't line that up really well. And if you have seen my video already, you know it's technically the same thing. It's gonna technically be the same thing, but a couple steps are gonna be a bit different. Okay. Need to make sure this is all lined up really well, because if it isn't lined up very well, then it's not gonna work. And there we go. Then crease the line, open it up, and then you need to fold all these 4 flaps into the middle. If you guys know what I'm talking about, if you know what I'm talking about, you would have seen it in my other video. There we go. I'll show you like that to all 4 sides, but 3 sides. And if you guys think I'm going a little too fast, you can pause the video. There we go, just like that. Perfect. And sometimes it might not be lined up very well when you do it, but it's okay because it's gonna be the same thing. But when you do it hamburger and hot dog style, it has to be really good. Okie dokie. Do it again. There we go. Now I have to do it to this side right here. And before you get started, make sure you crease it really well. And you guys are like, why are you wearing this green shirt? That's because I just got out of school like an hour and a half ago. And I'll probably be posting every once a week or twice a week if I have time. So, line it up. There we go. So it can be like that. I'm gonna back up a little bit so you guys can see a bit better. There we go. And now, once like this, flip it over so you can have the back side. And what you did right here, do it to the back side. Here we go. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, I'll show you. Look at that. Fold that back. Fold that to the middle on all 4 sides. And when you do that first flap, it will look like a diamond. See this part? You're gonna bend this to the middle. Guys, I don't have the best lens in the world. I promise you guys, in the future, it will be better. And I might do a video where I show my face, but I'm not gonna do that right now, just for some reasons. But right now, we're just gonna have a mask, like, have my face covered, so you can only see, like, my neck and down. So, yeah. And for other videos, it's mostly gonna be just origami. Also, some videos are gonna be different, like I might do a room tour, house tour, probably not a house tour, but yeah, and maybe like routines. But for the reason it's gonna just mostly be origami. So, and I might upload a video maybe in the future of going to Souk, where you go on a off-road car into the mountains. So yeah. So when you guys have that like that, I'll show you what to do next. But right now, you need to fold this back down. I'll show you what it is. You guys might hear some like wrapper noises. That's because my brother's grabbing a snack. This lighting probably sucks because I didn't have the lamp on last time, so it probably looked like this. But I forgot to turn the lamp on, so now it's a bit brighter this time. So you guys know it wasn't bad about like thing. So yeah. Then once you have that, like that. If you guys think it's a little complicated, then you can search it up on YouTube, like you are right now, and it will describe it better. I just have my like phone. It's not really a phone. On some like utensils, you would say. Anyways, when this is like that, you want it on this side, the nice, pretty side. So, have it on the bad side, and then fold it in half, like that. You don't have to crease it, because you might rip it, and then open it up, and it'll probably be like that, like a little house. Okay, and then when you fold it that way, fold it the other way. There you go. Fold it the other way. So now you have these both sides like this, and then like that. You can have it on one side if you want. Doesn't matter. Pick which side. And then you need to put your fingers in, because you have these like little flaps here. Like that. And everything on the other side. So what you want to do is lift all these sides. All 4 sides. You probably can't see so well. Tough change. Like that all around, and then you're gonna try and push to the middle. You might need a parent's help. So yeah, like that. You might need some help. Pull it. There you go. Oof, 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 oof. And you guys can write stuff inside. And there you go. Your fortune teller. So if you guys love this video, make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, and press that like button. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.